Are you looking for a residential or commercial restoration contractor in Fulton County, Georgia? Look no further than Fulton County Restoration Expert, which is your #1 company for residential and commercial restoration service needs. We specialize in water damage removal, fire damage restoration, and mold damage remediation services. We offer emergency service 24/7 to everyone in Fulton County, Georgia. We offer the best water damage restoration and removal services, fire damage and restoration services, and mold damage and remediation services. Why should you choose us? We are licensed and insured, have over 10 years of experience, provide free estimates, open 24 hours a day, give you direct insurance billing to every home and business in Fulton County, Georgia. So give Fulton County Restoration Expert a call today for all your restoration needs, or visit us online at www.fultoncountyrestorationexpert.com.